Hello everyone. Welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn Erase tool, Knife tool, and Scissor tool. So let's start. Make a rectangle. Pick Erase tool, drag on your path. It's erasing path where you drag. But it's still in one shape. If you drag it from one edge to another, so it will break it. Make another one, pick Scissor tool. If you click on center of the object, so it will not work. You have to work on edge like this. It will break it from where you click. See in outline view, it's open path now. Make a circle and go to Pathfinder, you can unite them and can create new shape. Make a circle, pick Knife tool. Drag it. So it will break your path. Now move them. These are all separate. One more thing, make a circle and delete it half by selecting anchor points. Now if you use Knife tool, so it will not work. Fill it with any color, it's still an open path. Now use Knife tool, see its work. Knife tool first make a close path, then it's cut. If you release your mouse halfway, so it will not cut it completely. That's all for Erase, Knife and Scissor tool. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, so like and share it. If you have any comments, so you are welcome on comment section. See you in next video.